Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Super Mix Capsule Z. This unique in-game item is absolutely essential for crafting powerful 6-star QQ bangs. These special items allow you to combine the statistical properties of two pieces of equipment, significantly boosting your character's attributes. Understanding how to properly utilize this capsule will help you optimize your character's abilities and overall performance, making your gameplay much more strategic and rewarding. Let's dive into the details. Acquiring the Super Mix Capsule Z is a key step. You can primarily obtain it from Parallel Quest Tours, with Parallel Quest 83, titled Dangerous Duo. Warriors Never Rest being a highly recommended option. To complete this mission efficiently, simply collect the 3 Dragon Balls and return them, often finishing in under 20 seconds. Alternatively, you can craft a Super Mix Capsule Z by combining a Super Mix Capsule with Demon Realm crystals, which are frequently found in expert missions, such as Expert Mission number 17. Once you have your Super Mix Capsule Z, head over to the mixing shop in Canton City to craft your QQ bangs. The process is straightforward. You'll combine 1 Super Mix Capsule Z with 2 pieces of 5-star upperwear equipment. The magic happens as the QQ bang inherits and blends the statistical properties of your chosen items. This allows for incredible customization, so feel free to experiment with various equipment combinations to achieve the precise stat boosts you desire for your character. To maximize your Super Mix Capsule Z acquisition, consider equipping a Super Soul that boosts item drop rates. This can significantly increase your chances. Parallel Quest 83 is highly repeatable, often taking only 8 to 15 seconds per run, making it excellent for farming. Playing online with friends can also streamline the process of gathering both capsules and Demon Realm crystals. Additionally, prioritize missions with fewer competing loot items, as this can improve the likelihood of the capsules dropping for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.